Here I've got OPPO A12, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we use button navigation. So here you've got home button in the middle, then you've got back button right here, and these three horizontal lines are for recent items. But if you'd like to use gesture navigation, you need to open the settings, then in search area enter navigation, go to navigation buttons, and you can smoothly switch buttons to gesture navigation. And from now on you can use gesture navigation. You can slide from right to left and from left to right to go back. Then you can slide up to go back to your home screen. And if you'd like to check the recently opened apps, just slide up and hold it for a while. Here they are, and close them easily. So this is it. This is how you can change between navigation bars. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.